Okay. Let's go to the panel. So
Yes,
we have
sir.
completed three. Okay, we have to start
Yeah,
with
we
this one
finished
now.
the guide.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
alignment,
Yes, sir.
path, fit on path, step and repeat, shape, corner, and join curves. We'll see these options today. Okay.
Okay.
First, we'll start with the alignment option. This one. Let
Yes,
me
sir.
decrease the size of the object. Now let's go and align this one now. So once you select this object, alignment options are there right now. So in
Yeah.
this one we don't use this all options, only we use one this one,
Okay.
second one selection, and third one this edge of the page.
Okay.
Okay, page center, edge page, and based on selection we can say.
Selected. Yeah.
Yeah, right now I'm selecting this one. Now let's select this what do we say, center edge of the page. Now once we can align this one.
Yeah.
So you can go to the
Okay.
left alignment, you can go to the right alignment, center, horizontal, similarly vertical top, vertical bottom, and vertical middle on this one now. So like this we can
Center.
align exactly in the center point of the canvas by using this edges.
Okay.
Sorry, yeah, second one center is there, center, under center I am moving this one right side. Now we can see I can use left alignment. See what happened, this line is based for the center alignment we can see.
Okay.
Similarly right we can say it is coming on the right side. If I say center, it is coming center point of these two options.
Yeah.
Similarly, I'll say top. Now what happened now? This has become top for this one. Means it has gone and
Yeah.
aligned on the top now. If I say
Top.
bottom,
Yeah.
it will come down here, over here now.
Okay.
And vertical center means it will come exactly in the center now. So here
Center.
is the
Okay.
left option, right option, and center. Similarly, top option, bottom option, and vertical center on this one.
Okay.
So this is for the page center we can say. This is for edge and this is for center. Now second one based on selection. Selection in the sense we can create multiple objects.
Okay.
So I've taken this one, select this all and go for the selection option. Once you have done the selection, you can use your left alignment. So what happened? Left alignment in the sense this all object will come on the left side of this selection.
Yeah.
Okay, undo. Similarly, if I say right side now, this one will become the right side alignment for this one. So what happened? This has become the base for the selection we can say.
Okay.
Means this object is becoming the base. So when
Yes,
you are
sir.
selecting this one now. Okay. So maybe here the option is what, either first selection or last selection. See now, I'm selecting this first one. Let me change this one to blue, green, dark blue, and yellow color. Now see, I'm selecting blue, then hold shift and select this last option red, and let's select the last option as an yellow on this one now. If I say
Yeah.
alignment top based on selection, if I say top alignment, what happened now? Everything gone on this basis on this one. Similarly, if I say selection again bottom now, it will go down and select this option now. Example preferences, I'm changing first one, then select, then third, then fourth, and green will become the base now.
Okay.
Last selection. Now if I say bottom now, what happened? Which object become base for making alignment? Last
The
object
green.
selected.
Yeah. Okay.
Last selection will become the base to align this all
Base.
objects. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is how the selection option can be useful. Alignment with the options we can apply for the we'll say alignment options. Similarly,
Okay, sir.
distribution. Distribution in the sense giving an equal gap in between the objects. Let's go to the page edge. Now I'll go with the right side alignment for this one to go and align right side on the canvas here. Now see, but right now we don't have equal gap in between now.
Yeah.
We need to have an equal gap. So we have option here, vertical distribution center. Now this is what distribution center horizontal. Now this is what
Center
distribute
vertical.
center vertical on this one.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Let's click this
Distribute
option on
bottom.
vertical
Yeah.
now. Once you click this one, so equal gap we got it from this one now.
Okay.
Okay, even though we have selected edge, but it is working only in selected portion only.
Yeah.
Okay, so similarly horizontal distribution. Now let me move this one over here and select this all. Okay, and then go for alignment on the top. Here we can see top alignment, and then distribution option in this one now. Horizontal distribution center on this one now. See what happened? We got an equal gap.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is how alignment can be useful for you. Alignment and distribution.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now coming back to the
Yeah.
next one now. Okay, that is alignment. I'm closing. Okay, let me keep this outside. Just I'm taking only one object here.
Yeah.
Now fit on path, we can say, fit object to the path now, we can say. So what I'm doing, I'm taking as what is it, object in this one, a round object, we can say. Select this object, then select this path. Once it is
Okay.
selected, using shift button you have to select this both, and number of copies, how many you want, you can decide number of copies here. Around 10 I'm
Okay.
taking. Now let's say apply on this one. See what happened, this object will fit on the path and it will make n number of copies now. See,
Right. Yeah.
like this we can do it now. Now instead of this one, if I select first path, okay, and then object, what happened, the object means this
Okay.
lines has become 10 number of copies on this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what we need to do, first we need to select the object, then we need to select the path,
Okay.
then you apply. So automatically object will be applied over here now. See,
Yes, sir.
but no other object is means no other objects is getting this one. Once again, example, I have selected this one. Instead of this one, I want to have some changes in this one. What is the changes? One second, let me see.
Yeah.
Uniform option I am having, center, what is it, center of the rotation, selection order, select, selection order. Okay, okay, area small to big object we can say, and big to small we can say. Let's say small to big on this one area, and apply this one now. Again select this two and apply this option and see, no change in this one, it is same, no change.
Okay.
Let's apply random on this one, random will apply. And uniform object spacing means we want to apply some spacing in between, that is uniform in the sense equal spacing. Okay, and rotation from the origin, or we can say rotation in the center one. So we want any rotation to be done from the center only, that we have done.
Okay, sir.
Uniform, progressive jitter. So let's select this progressive option in this one and give an angle for this one. Right now object is round, so if we give any angle also, that is
Yeah.
no more required for that. Now let me select this one and decrease the width. So let's see now what will happen now. Okay, select this two, let's go and apply this one. Angle I'm giving for this one around 15-degree angle for this one now. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so revolution, if you have anything you can apply this one, clockwise or counterclockwise you can take this and you can apply. Now see what happened,
Okay.
minor means rotation we are having for each and every object. Based on that one, it is applying this one. Okay, so
Yes,
follow
sir.
path, it is showing auto rotate, so means automatically this is rotating with the following the path options. Okay, now we can see this object here, this is the original one, slightly moved right side, then more right, and then again it came on the opposite side.
Yeah.
Because of this rotation, it is giving this 15-degree angle for this one now. Okay, instead of this one, let's make it as a 45-degree angle for this one and see.
Okay.
Let's apply in 45-degree and see what happened. We got a nice
Yeah.
rotation for this one. Okay, so we
Yes,
can
sir.
apply it like this now. So this is what fit on path. This is available only in 22 version, but it is not available in old version.
Okay.
Okay, this option is not there in
Yes,
the
sir.
older version. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So let me delete this. Let's go to the next option now. Let me close this panel. Step and repeat option is there. Let me delete this also. Step and repeat is nothing but one copy. I'm placing this one. Now, do you want offset? Offset in the sense object is there. From this place, how much you want to move for creating this object? Right now I'm making this. One second. Let me change this to inches. Now what about size of this object? 1 inch. 1 inch I'm giving for this one. 1 inch, and 1 inch for the object size now. Okay. Position,
Okay.
so just keep the position ignored here, but right now object size is 1 by 1 now. Now what I'm giving,
Okay.
distance, offset distance I'm giving 1 inch for this one now. See what happened? Only horizontal, no vertical, no offset.
Okay.
No offset in the sense
Yeah.
means no movement at all.
No moment. Yeah.
Okay, how many copies you want? Now example, I'll make it 5 copies on this one. 1 inch. So now you apply, see exactly we got each and every object beside this one, exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so undo. So I want a small gap in between now. After 1 I want 1.1 gap I want. So 1.1 for this one now. If you want
One.
any gap,
Okay.
apply it. See what happened?
Okay.
0.1 gap we got it for each and every object.
Okay.
Instead of this one, simple option for giving any distance, we have a spacing in between. You can give 0.1 for the distance. 1 second. 0.1 and apply. See what happened? We got the same option. See,
Yeah.
either you give so what is it, offset area, exactly one, so object size. Beside this, how much you want to give a gap, that you need to provide here. Same
Okay.
thing for the vertical also. Undo. Okay, let's make it as an offset of. Go to the spacing in between. Spacing how much? 0.25, and let's say up. Do you want object on the top or bottom? I want with the bottom now. Go down
Okay.
and apply now. See.
Okay.
Okay, if I give horizontal vertical, what will happen? Now see. Spacing in between 0.1, so I am making 0.25 for both. And apply
Okay.
both side I want 5 horizontal vertical. Now see one.
Okay.
Angle. Horizontal we got and vertical also we got it. So because of that reason,
Yeah.
it is coming in angle actually.
Okay.
Okay, this is what step and repeat option. So means it will give you one step and it can give you this values also. You can define the exact
Yes, sir.
value for it.
Yeah.
So this is what step and repeat option. Let me delete this all. Okay, let's come to the next option now. Right now I have an overlapping on this one. Let me take this one. Overlap this. Select this one and increase the size for this up. I'm making another copy in this one. Just move this outside. Select this only two. Okay, we have option here. You can see these options. What is the
Yeah.
first option? Weld,
Weld,
trim,
trim, intersect,
right?
simplify.
Right. Same options available here also.
Okay.
But small difference is there in usage now. See, means usage in the sense how we work from here and how we work from here. Let's see this both. I am using the weld
Okay.
option now. After applying this one,
Yeah.
click on weld 2. Then we need to click which one we want to weld with.
Okay.
Either blue one or red one. Whenever we click any
Red
one, if I click
Yeah.
on the blue color, what happens? Both object will become blue.
Okay.
Okay. If I click the weld option, if I click on the red color, it will become red.
Okay.
Okay, this is what tool options we can see. Now instead of tool, if I am using this option now, options, weld option, what will happen?
Yeah.
It will take the top object color for filling the color. Sorry, bottom object for filling the color.
Bottom object. Okay.
What happened now? We
It
got
took
fill
the
color.
bottom
So
object.
example, first
Yeah.
I am selecting red, I am selecting second as blue. Now when you apply this one, what happened? Is it in top or bottom, or is it in first one and last selection?
First and last.
Last selection actually. The last
Yeah.
selection color will be applied. Example for
Okay.
this one, what we'll do, we'll select this one also. First one red, second
Okay.
one blue, and third one is green now.
Okay.
Last selection is my green now. When I apply this
Green,
one, what
yeah.
happened? It will apply
Okay.
green color. Means
The last one. Okay.
the base for the means applying the color is last object will be okay. So that
Okay.
color will be taken from that object, and it will combine all
Yeah.
the objects.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, select these two, and you have option here. What is that option? Trim. Trim
Trim.
option. This one.
Yeah.
What happened in the trim? Let's see. Click this one. See, overlapping object has been removed from the existing object. You can see
Okay.
overlapping object has been deducted from the front object.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep it as it is. Let's make it another copy on this one and see. Select these two and use the next option. What is the next option? Intersect options.
Yeah.
Intersection in the sense the intersection area will be kept on this one, out of this one. See.
Okay.
So I'll keep it as it
Yeah.
is. Now we'll take these two options and let me apply the outline for this one. No fill color. So simple option, no fill color, so that you can see the outline. Right now you can see this outer section is nothing but this one, interior
Yeah.
inside this
Yeah.
section. You can keep it like this. See,
Okay.
this area has been applied in this one now. Let me select these two.
Okay.
Okay, make a copy of this one. Now let's go to the next option. After this, what is the intersection? We have a simplify option. Let's see what is
Yeah.
simplify now. So once I click the simplify, click and move this one outside and see what happened. It is similar to this one only. But what do you use? Why do you
Yeah.
use this one now? Okay.
Uh,
So I'll keep it as
okay.
it is now. Example, I'll take these three objects. I'll make a copy of these
Yeah.
three objects. Now use the simplify option now. Now see what happened. First object got subtracted and second object got subtracted here. Now see. Level by level it
Okay.
has subtracted this one now.
Subtracted. Yeah. Yeah.
Like this it has subtracted this one. Whereas this
Okay,
one,
sir.
this option will not apply that one. Whatever objects
Okay.
are coming in behind this one, it will detect everything now.
Okay.
Make another copy and use the option called front minus and back minus. So front minus will remove all the front objects from this one. Same thing, but it is keeping the object,
Yeah.
it is removing all the objects.
Yes, sir.
But in the last option, this one, it will remove the back side object and front side object will be kept like this. So undo.
Okay.
Let's see this option now. See the green color, and whereas in this situation, red color has been presented on this one. Okay, so this is our
Yes, sir.
last option. One more option is there, that is create a boundary. Based on this object, it will create a boundary for this one. Now see, select and move. What happened? Based on this object, it has created a boundary for us. Now see,
Yeah.
even we can apply the fill color. What happened now? It is created one object like this now.
Yeah.
Clear this point?
Yes, sir.
So all these are created, okay, using the shaping option now. These are the shaping option.
Okay.
We can see from here
Yeah.
and we can use from here. But best option
Okay.
is what, using from this one. It is very easy. By directly we can go and we can implement it without doing anything.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let me close this. Now come back to the corners on this one. Let's say example, I'm taking a rectangle shape. Now you can see the corners over here. You can see this value.
Yeah.
So what happened now, I'm giving the value on this one. So here directly we can apply. Example, I want to apply 0.5 value for this one. I can apply directly. I can change the option.
Okay.
See, I can change this option.
Yeah.
Okay, instead of this one, when you apply the value here in this one, when you apply
Yeah.
certain value, it will show you the preview. Can you see the preview?
Yes, sir.
If you want, you can increase how much you want it. Later, if I don't want this style, you can change the style also. Example,
Okay.
I am going with the scalp, or else we can say chamfer on this one.
Sure.
Which one you
Okay.
like it? Now we can apply that option. I want to go with the scalp and apply this one. See what happened? Original object got modified with the existing, what is it? Other option.
Okay.
So in the first option, directly it is doing. Here it is showing the preview. If we want, you can apply that later.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is what corner option you can say. Okay, last option, joint corners are there. Let's see the joint corners on this one. Select this one, delete, and let's take the Bezier tool. Let me apply this value. I am making a small, what is it, smooth shape in this one. Yeah, press enter to discontinue. Select this individual point. We have option here. So means whenever
Yeah.
you are joining this one, whenever you are joining this one, do you want to join with the straight line? Now you can see a lot of distance is there in this one. Now if I increase this one, so what happened, automatically it comes now and then it will apply. Say example, I'll move this one nearer to this one. Select this both and apply option now. See. Right now the distance is larger, so I'll make this distance
Yeah.
to 1 inch on this one. See what happened now? Can you see?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, extended one, chamfer, fill it in the sense round.
Curve, yeah.
Bezier curve we can say. So which option you want to
Okay.
apply in this one, you can apply that value.
Okay.
Okay, once it is selected. But if you want, you can increase this one. Nothing but what we are showing this one, nothing but distance in between these two. It is the
Yeah, yeah.
approximate distance when we have given 1, so it has taken the lines on this one. Okay, you can apply
Okay.
and say apply for accepting that value. Now see, we got nice curve on this area. And object got
Okay.
closed in this one. Now we can, when you move
Yeah.
this one, see what happened? It is attached to the other object. See.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yes,
like
sir.
this we can attach this one using join corner options.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So these points we have completed this section. From
Yeah.
alignment, fit on path, step and repeat, shape, corner and join curves. Now tomorrow
Yeah.
we'll finish this one now.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow will you attend? Festival is there?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow, is it possible for you at 2 o'clock, sir?
Yeah, yeah. I'm having a holiday tomorrow. You can take it anytime.
Okay, sir. Tomorrow in the morning also I'm free, so whatever time is okay for you, you
Morning
can tell
maybe
me.
a little late. I'll be maybe 1 second.
Yeah.
Morning 9 a.m. maybe I'll get up, but around 10 a.m. I can take the class. Is it okay?
And
Indian time.
yeah, sir. 6:30 is fine.
Okay, just put me a message whenever you are online. If I'm
Okay.
free that time, I'll take it. Otherwise, I'll give you the timing after that. Okay. But
Okay,
maximum
sir,
I'll
sure.
try to take the time. I'll say take out the time and I'll give you the class tomorrow.
Okay, sure, sir.
Right.
All right, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll share the other videos also by tonight. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Good night.
Good night.